So an update from the previous video. Still working with our two counts, pink and purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for pink. Then this could be a deep or a broad correction. And then in purple we have 1, 2, 3, working for a 4 and 5. And it seems this 4 has not yet bottomed, so we might be having some sort of correction there. So zooming in on the 4-hour time frame, still with the theory that we had a 3-wave move down here, a connecting wave here, and then a 535 here. But now we have a 3-wave move up in a wave C, or in my last video I spoke about possible scenarios that could be happening here. One of them was that this could be a 1 2 1 2, they would be moving up, but then now we have a 5-wave move down here. So we had 1 2 3 4 5. If this is going to be a 1 2, then we're going to need a 3-wave move up and then a 5-wave move down. So that then goes into my second scenario, which was that we could be having something of a WXY. So it would be 1 2 3, that's A, then we have an X, and then we have another 1 2 3, so this will make it W. And then we have a 3-wave move up, which would make an X here, and then we'd be waiting for a 5-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, and then a 5-wave move down again. So that seems to be what might happen. We've already had the 5 down. This move looks impulsive, but I can't find a good count for it, so I'm going to count it as corrective. And given the fact that if it's going to be an impulsive move to the upside, then we should see a corrective move down here. But then this was a clear 5-wave move. So I'm waiting to see if we'll have a 535, and then I'll look for a series of 1-2s and place a buy trade. Then I had another scenario, which would be that we would have a large, this would be a wave 1, then we'll have a wave 2, then we'll have a 3, and then a 4, and then a 5. So that would be that deeper correction that I was talking about here, where it would look something like this. But then that would eliminate the wave 4 possibility, because this purple line shows the 50% fib level, and I'm not expecting wave 4 to go beyond that. Also keeping in mind that we might have something like a zigzag, but then if we're going to come down, we'll go below this line as well. So this is just me using channeling, because corrective waves are form of in channels, so it's just good to help you find a price target, I guess. Then what was my other one? So I've spoken about the 1 2 3 4 5. I've spoken about the 535. I've spoken about the major 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, and I've spoken about the 1 2, but then that 1 2 is going to be invalidated the moment we come to this red line. So, and not to mention, it wouldn't look good. I mean, this would now have to be a 1 2, this would be a 1 2, and then this second 1 2 is larger than the first 1 2, so it just wouldn't look good. And then the last option would be something like a triangle here. A triangle is meant to be 3 3 3 3. That's 5 threes, 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, so we had the first 3 here, we had the second 3 here, we happen to have another 3 here, and another 3 here, another 3 here. They might be going up. So that's just something to watch out for. It's not something we can call right now. So yeah, we might, maybe we'll have one here. I really don't know, I can't say for now. But then this is already a 5-wave move, so to have to be a 3. So my most preferred scenario is actually the 535. It would make all the more sense. I think I showed a picture of it. I'll show it again. Alright, so this is quite similar to what we're having right now. We had our 335, then we had that triangle in an X, then we had a 535. Now we've had a 3-wave move up in an X, and we've had a 5-wave move down, waiting for this 3-wave move up and then this 5-wave move down. So yeah, this is currently what I'm, anticipating. So all in all, in summary, in order of my preference, or let me not say in order, but I'll just call the one that I really like. The one I really like is the 535. Then yeah, I guess we'll just have to wait and see if this ends up being a 535. So that's majorly what I'm looking for. Just a 5, a 3, and then a 5 to the downside. Then we'll have a 1 2 1 2, probably there's a trade here, and then we move up. So yeah, that's it.